and my box fans. So I completely relate. I completely relate. How can you like you better if you've barely been here? But is the hoodie always on top of your head? People often end up with jobs that aren't quite. You're not being controlled. Sigh. Sigh, 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 sigh. Either way, surprisingly, really, really nice. Surprisingly nice. But retail well has a lot more to do. And it feels like such a scam. Things were going south. That's for sure. That's not my job. I'm not a professional procrastinator. Because I used to be a regular for a while. But I noticed you haven't been around recently.